Why is this kid confident 1 minute and doubting himself the next?
Great question. Confidence is tricky because most people think it comes from being perfect, but real confidence starts long before perfection. Today we will solve the mystery of why confidence rises and falls and what the strongest kids do differently. By the end you will learn one mindset shift that makes confidence grow even on the days you feel unsure.
So, what does that actually mean?
Real confidence is not a feeling you wait for, it is a skill you build by taking tiny actions even when you feel nervous. Confidence grows when you try, learn, and adjust. You do not need to be perfect, you just need to take one step forward. When you make progress instead of chasing perfection, your confidence becomes steady.
Does the brain really change from small steps?
Yes, confidence grows because your brain rewires itself through practice. The prefrontal cortex gets stronger each time you face something hard, and the amygdala calms as you collect small wins. Dopamine rises when you complete even tiny challenges, which encourages your brain to do it again. This is why confidence comes from experiences, not perfection.
How does this show up in real life?
At school you may compare yourself to others and feel behind. In friendships you might stay quiet because you fear saying the wrong thing. With new skills you may quit early because you think talented kids never struggle. All of these moments come from one mistake, expecting yourself to be perfect before you begin.
So, small equals big?
Exactly, confidence grows the same way trees grow, one ring at a time. One brave choice becomes a small win, which becomes a bigger win, which becomes confidence you can feel. When you stop chasing perfection and focus on progress, your identity shifts from, I must get it right, to, I can handle this. Small brave steps build a strong future self.
So, how do I start?
Step 1. Start small. Take one brave action today. A tiny win creates the first ring of confidence, just like a tree starting its growth. Step 2. Focus on progress, not perfection. Shift your identity from, I must get it right, to, I can handle this. Every attempt makes you stronger. Step 3. Build your future self. Each small brave step stacks into a bigger win. Keep going, and your confidence becomes something you can feel and trust.
What should we do today?
Your challenge is to pick one thing you avoided because you felt unsure and do the smallest possible version of it. Then comment the word growing so we can cheer you on. If this episode helped you feel even a little braver, join the Growth Lab family so we can grow together. Remember, confidence does not appear magically, it grows from small brave choices repeated over time. Every tiny step rewires your brain and strengthens your ability to try new things. You do not need perfection, you just need progress.
See you in the next episode.